Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to make Garri, tasty Garri with coconut, sugar, milk and KuliKuli. This is spicy KuliKuli, and that is what we want to drink this afternoon. So here I have my white Garri. As you can see, I am going to make use of this plate. So I will transfer some quantity inside this plate. So this is it. I will add my water because I want to rinse off if there is any dirt inside. As you can see some particles on top of it. As you can see, that is why it is always advisable to add water. Rinse it off first. Pour out the upper part of the water first. You can do it twice. Then I'll add another water. I want to do it twice. As you can see, it is now clean. There is no dirty particles in it again. So I will now add enough water. Then the next one is to add my sugar. Some people do use honey, but I prefer to use sugar. So let me add like 5 pieces. Then you turn it. It is still not tasty. So let me add extra 3. That way, you are stand beside my girl so you don't spoil my video. So,
what are you making?
Garri. If you guys say you want to bring Garri with coconut.
Mommy, I want to join you.
Eh?
I want to join you.
You want what? You want to join me? You are not wearing clothes now. So I've added extra. It's okay now. So the next one is to add my milk. So as you can see, I've added my milk. Then you have to turn till it has dissolved inside the Garri. Then the next thing is to add my coconut. As you can see, it's already washed. So you have to cut it into tiny bits or pieces for easy consumption. You can add as many as you want.
Maybe.
Yes, for consumption.
Mommy asked more.
I should add more.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just added more. As you can see, he said I should add more. So the next one is to add my KuliKuli. I'm going to add more too.
Mommy, I want to eat that.
I should give you. Oh yeah, take it. Beg it, God bless. So I've added it. It is now tasty. I'm ready. Let me add more coconuts. You can add as many as you want. Either coconut or granite or KuliKuli. So that's all. As you can see, let me enjoy. So yummy. The kids are going to enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.